Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Gadget Flow mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with the breakdown, Gadget Flow is a discovery app for tech lovers who enjoy exploring tools like gadget, smart home devices and innovative products. It features a clean modern design where users can browse thousands of curated items in categories like smart wearables, kitchen techs, crowdfunding product and more. You can get 10 to 12 new products daily with a clear description, photos, and even an AR preview. It's perfect for finding unique gift ideas or just seeing what's new in the tech world. You can also save items to a wish list and get alerts on deals. However, Gadget Flow isn't a shopping app. You can buy directly in the app. It sends you to a third-party website. So if you want to make a purchase, while the app is highly rated, some users say it can get addictive and updates sometimes change the layout unexpectedly. Still, it's worth it if you're enjoying browsing innovative products and staying updated on tech trends. So it's more about inspiration and discovery than instant buying, and that's it.